In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of blocking adult websites on your iPhone effectively. Whether you're a concerned parent wanting to ensure your child's online safety or simply aiming to maintain a distraction-free browsing experience, blocking adult content is crucial. Here I am using iPhone 15, but it works in iPhone 11, 13 and 14 as well. First of all, tab on Settings app. Scroll down and tab on Screen Time option. If you haven't already set it up, tap Turn on Screen Time. Then tab on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, toggle on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tab on Content Restrictions. Then under Web Content, tab on Web Content. Here you will get three options. If you select Unrestricted, then iPhone allow you to access all website. If you select Limit Adult Websites, iPhone filters out websites that Apple identifies as adult content. If you select Allowed Website, then it allows you to create a whitelist of specific websites that can be accessed. Here we will tab on Limit Adult Websites. Now it will block all the adult website restricted by Apple from accessing. Now try to access any adult website. You will not be able to open that website. You will see message stating site is unreachable. In this way we can restrict website content in iPhone. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.